What up, folks? Boston Black, PopSauceSauces.com. Just got finished making a Wholefoods run because today we're going to make something really special. We are going to make fermented chicken and shrimp Fettuccini Alfredo. The key is the fermented part. Since we are doing this, it's going to be a two-part filming or two-part session or two-part video. So I'm going to start the first part now and then come back in 6 to 8 hours and then finish making our sauce. Basically, I'm using organic linguine, and I'm also using a 9-month brine. And that's what we're going to use for our fermented linguine. All right, this first part is simple. Basically, I take my linguine, pull it out, and drop it all over the place. No, for real. Take it, and I basically snap it in two, trying not to make a big mess. And then I slide it into my jar. Got linguine instead of fettuccine. I just can't even believe it. Okay, now I'm gonna admit to something because I'm just shocked, believe it or not. I went to the store and I was every intention on buying fettuccine, and I looked and the thing said fettuccine where it was racked at. Somehow or another, I got linguine. So it's still going to be chicken and shrimp Alfredo, but we're going to be using linguine instead of fettuccine because I'm not going back to the store. Anyway, same process. Pasta is pasta. You can, I shouldn't have said that, but I'm not Italian, so to me, pasta is pasta. So you can do for the fettuccine the exact same thing as I'm going to do it that I'm doing with the linguine. So I'm going to take this. I want to take my brine. I want to open up my brine now that I got my pasta in a jar. And before I do anything, this has been basically aging for several months. So what the first thing I want to do is check the pH. And make sure that it's still below 4.5. And as you know, 4.5 is shelf stable. I'm gonna shake off any excess water so I don't contaminate my brine. And now I want to check it. .8, 3.7. So the brine is perfect. So now that I've double checked my brine, I want to simply take it and as quickly as possible pour some into a container that I can pour it better with. Now, I want to just simply pour it over my pasta. So it completely covers the pasta. Put whatever's left back in the jar. Close it up for right now, and I'll transfer that to a smaller container that has less air in it off camera. So now, my brine is completely covering my pasta. I want to take my cap, close it up. I'm gonna let this sit 6 hours. You can leave it overnight. I'm gonna let it sit for 6 hours because I want to get it done, and I'll be back to do the second part later on tonight. Right now, I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator, and I'll see you guys then.